Okay. So the next question is differentiate sin x by 1 plus cos x. What is the solution? The solution is this is y is equal to sin x by 1 plus cos x. So compare that, this is divided by, so compare y equal to u by v, the u by v, u is a function of x and v is a function of x. So here what is u? U is equal to sin x and v equal to 1 plus cos x. So therefore, and what is the formula for we do the differentiation, that is what is the formula for dy by dx? That is dy by dx equal to v into du by dx plus v into, sorry, here the v into du by dx minus v into du by dx by v square, taken as this is a 1. So therefore, here you read that u is equal to, what is u? U is equal to sin x. Therefore, du by dx is nothing but a d by dx of sin x. So d by dx of sin x is nothing but differentiation of sin, nothing but a cos. And next, at v equal to 1 plus cos x, and this is nothing but dv by dx, this is nothing but d by dx of 1 plus cos x, that is differentiation of a constant. First it can be written as d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of cos x. For differentiation of a constant, the term is equal to 0, and differentiation of cos x, nothing but a minus sin x. So therefore this is nothing but a minus sin x. So they, okay, and what is the formula for dy by dx? That is nothing but d by dx of substitute, that is so we do that, substitute two 3 in 1, substitute 2 and 3 in 1. So we get that dy by dx equal to, so v, what is a v? The v is nothing but a 1 plus cos x into d by dx of u, nothing but a sin x, minus v, oh sorry, that is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. That is dy by dx equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square, and this is nothing but minus sin x into d by dx of 1 plus cos x by v square. What is the v? V is nothing but a 1 plus cos x whole square. So therefore we get that 1 plus cos x into differentiation of that is nothing but a cos x minus sin x into that is nothing but a minus cos x. So therefore by 1 plus cos square x, 1 plus cos x whole square, and we do that, so y equal to 1 plus cos x into cos x minus sin x into minus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. So therefore we multiply that 1 into cos x, that is nothing but a cos x, plus cos square x, minus into minus, that is nothing but a plus sin square x. So the formula for this one is 1, that is nothing but a 1 plus cos x. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So 1 cos and 1 cos will be cancelled. 1 plus cos x will be cancelled. We get that 1 by 1 plus cos x. So therefore, what is the formula? The formula for what is the formula? The formula is sin square x plus cos square x, that is equal to 1. This is a basic formula, and you see, get the value, that is so differentiation of this one. So this form is d by dx of sin x by 1 plus cos x. This is nothing but u by v. So u equal to sin x and v equal to 1 plus cos x. What is the formula? V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. So let us find that u equal to sin x. Let nothing but differentiation of sin, nothing but a cos x, and differentiation of 1 plus cos x, nothing but a minus sin x. So therefore, and we substitute this 2, 3 in 1, we get that 1 plus cos x into cos x minus sin x into minus sin x. Minus into minus, that becomes 2 plus, and cos square x plus sin square x. What is the value of cos square x plus cos square? That is nothing but the value is equal to 1. That is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos square x. So 1 plus cos x, 1 cos can be cancelled. Finally we get that 1 by 1 plus cos x. And next question is so differentiate y equal to ax plus b by cx plus d. So the solution is so this is nothing but we compare what is the given question. The given question is y equal to ax plus b by cx plus d. So compare y equal to u by v. What is u? U is equal to ax plus b and v equal to cx plus d. So we know that dy by dx, nothing but d by dx of u by v. This is nothing but divided by. So what is the formula? The formula for this one is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square, taken as 1. So let us assume that so u equal to ax plus b, du by dx, nothing but d by dx of ax plus b, and this is nothing but a into dx by dx, separately it can be written, plus d by dx of constant. So dx by dx, the value of dx by dx is 1, and differentiation of a constant, the constant term becomes to 0. So therefore the value is equal to a, du by dx equal to a. And next v, nothing but cx plus d. So dv by dx equal to, that is nothing but d by dx of cx plus d. Finally we get that c into dx by dx plus d by dx of a constant d. So therefore d. So dx by dx, the value is equal to 1 and constant equal to 0, and finally we get that it is c. So therefore dv by dx is nothing but a c. What is dv by dx? dv by dx is nothing but a c. Okay, substitute this to 3 in 1, that is dy by dx of u by v, dy by dx. So this is nothing but what is the formula? V into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. So if you are substitute 2 and 3 in 1, so we get that v. What is the v? So v nothing but a cx plus d into d by dx of u. What is u? ax plus b minus ax plus b into d by dx of v. v nothing but cx plus d by v square, that is cx plus d whole square, and we get that cx plus d into, this is nothing but a plus 0, a value. So this is nothing but a minus ax plus b into, this is nothing but c by cx plus d whole square. So therefore a into c, acx plus ad plus minus of acx plus bc by cx plus d whole square. acx will be cancelled, and we get that ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. So therefore d by dx of dy by dx equal to, what is that? ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Here that what is the main question? The question is, so differentiate y with respect to x, that is ax plus b by cx plus d. How we can solve this problem? First we compare what is the form. This is a divided by, so both are function of x. This form is y equal to u by v. So therefore what is the formula for u by v? v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. So let us assume that v u equal to x plus b. So this is nothing but d by dx of d. Separate this part, a into dx by dx plus d by dx of constant. That is a into dx by dx. That is nothing but 2 by 2. If there is 2 by 2, the value is equal to 1. Similarly, we can understand that a into 1. For a constant, differentiation of a constant, the term is equal to 0. So therefore, du by dx equal to a, and similarly, dv by dx is equal to c. So therefore, we substitute the values in 1. We get that ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square.